Now, as we have learned three methods, okay, algebraic method, energy cycle method, and formula. So which method should you use? Okay, let's look at the question given. If the question just said, find the standard enthalpy of formation for ethane, then given the following data, the question didn't specify whether you need to use algebraic method or energy cycle method. Thus, you can choose either one to solve your problem. Okay, another one that is the energy cycle, another one that is the formula method. Okay, the formula method, you can use it if the enthalpy of formation is given for all substance for reactants and for product. Okay, for example, we have two reactants and one product. And then we are given the enthalpy of formation. So we can calculate the enthalpy of reaction. Of course, if you don't want to use the formula, you are not sure that you can use the formula or not, you can always use the algebraic method by coming up with the thermochemical equation. Energy cycle method would be a little bit harder. It's not that hard, but if you are not sure, not confident, don't use energy cycle method. Just use algebraic method. Okay, another one is the three types of enthalpies. Remember, solution, lattice, and hydration. Okay, here we can see is from gaseous ion to aqueous ion. So this is hydration. Okay, so means we have hydration and we have lattice energy. Ask us to find enthalpy of solution. Okay, if the question didn't specify anything, of course you can use the formula, or else you can use energy cycle method or the algebraic method. Okay, summary. Hess's law, we have algebraic method and energy cycle method. Energy cycle method, we have a few. You can refer back to the earlier videos, and also we can use formula. If you are asked to find the enthalpy of reaction and given all the enthalpy of formation. Another is the three types of enthalpy: solution, lattice, and hydration. Okay, what are the points to remember? Okay, I will go to straight away algebraic method. Okay, algebraic method, you need to think. Do you need to come up with a new thermochemical equation based on the enthalpy given? For example, if asked to find enthalpy of formation, you must know that it is elements become product, and the product must be only 1 mole according to the definition. Okay, for example, I give C2H5OH. So you have 3 elements. You have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, if you are asked to find enthalpy of combustion, remember, the definition is 1 mole of substance combusted in excess oxygen. So make sure your substance is only 1 mole. Okay, for energy cycle diagram, the important thing is remember to label phase, and then when you fill in the enthalpy in between the arrows, remember just to write kilojoule. Okay, just to write kilojoule. And must label is it positive or negative. And your arrow must be on the right direction, especially for the lattice energy, the energy cycle method to find enthalpy of solution, lattice, or hydration. Remember, your energy cycle must be something like the resultant force. Okay. For example, okay, this one erase first. For example, it should be like this. Then this is your resultant force. Okay, you cannot have like going around the clock. Okay, then if you want to use formula, you have to look at it. If the marks given is not a lot or didn't specify to use energy cycle diagram or algebraic method, then you can use formula if you are given the enthalpy of formation for reactants and products. And of course, again, as usual, the three types of enthalpy: solution, lattice, and hydration. So that's all for Hess's law.